Debbie. Debbie. That one has pretty paper too. Need some help or you got it? Oh. What is it?
Book. A book.
Whoa. What kind of book? What is in the book?
Bear.
A book about bears? That looks like a good book. And another book? What's that one?
The rabbit. I can another one.
No, the other one's for Layla. Can you say thank you, Debbie?
Thank you, Debbie.
Yay! We like books.